Hi guys, let's unbox my PS5 that I got recently. As you see in the video, I'm trying to remove the first box as it comes with two, as you see. So it comes also with cables. The first one is a USB-C. This is a high-speed HDMI. And this is a power cord. It also comes with feed tips. Here is the controller. It looks nice. It comes with one controller, so I had to order a second one. It has a nice touchpad in the middle and a PlayStation button. Underneath also it has a button for the microphone. And here how it comes with the packaging. It has two little booklets. And it comes wrapped as you see it here. I'm trying to be really careful and not to drop it. And here we go. So I got the PS disc, as you see. This is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna have to remove that tape here. That's it. Thank you for watching.